Meccha Chameleon mic cutting out gets fixed in two places: Steam Voice tab and Windows Sound Settings. We'll show you how to fix it in under a minute. No reinstall and no need to buy a new headset. Open Steam, click on Steam in the top left, then Settings. Once it opens, scroll down and select the Voice tab. Set voice input device to your headset by name. Don't leave it on default, since default switches device mid-match and drops your audio. Switch to push to talk and buy the key to open your mic. Open mic gates itself that clips the front of your words. Now right click on the speaker icon, pair a clock, choose sound settings, scroll down and select more. On a Bluetooth headset, set the playback tab list on a hand-free entry, right click it and disable it. That stops Windows forcing the low quality mono mode that crackles and cuts. You'll lose headset mic and calling apps until you enable it. Everyone else on the recording tab, right click on your mic and go to its properties. Go to advanced at the top, set default format to 16-bit 48,000 Hz. Then if you go back to the playback match, the same on playback. Once you've done that, press Windows type microphone privacy. On the microphone privacy settings, make sure you let apps access your microphone and let desktop apps access your microphone are both turned on. Once you do that, your mic holds steady and proximity chat instead of cutting out mid-sentence. If it still drops for everyone in the lobby, that's the game's brand new voice chat, not your setup. Update the latest patch and wait on a server-side fix. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.